Let's unbox and take a look at the Predator Vesta 2 DDR5 RGB memory. This is a 32GB DDR5-6000 CL30 memory kit. It supports both AMD Expo as well as Intel XMP profiles, which is quite nice. Here's the full timing specification. It is CL30, 38, 38, 76. Let's crack this open and take a look at what's inside. There we go. Plastic broken. This is quite a nice unboxing experience for memory, especially for such a budget-friendly memory. Take a look at that. Nice sturdy box. Pleasant presentation. And soft padding to ensure that the memory doesn't get damaged during transportation, during shipping. Let's carefully open it up. There we go. Oh, beautiful memory. Matte black heatsink with RGB strips over here. We'll take a look at the RGB a little bit later on, once I install this into a PC. In the meantime, let's appreciate the memory modules. They have some weight to them. Nice heatsinks. Predator logo at the top, as well as on the side. The PCB is quite dark as well. Can't really tell if it's black or just really dark green, but it looks like black. It matches the heatsink perfectly, and the heatsink is black. There are thermal pads connecting the memory modules to the heatsink from this side, and there's also a thermal pad on the other side as well. Even though there are no memory modules on that side, it is still nice to have because you still kind of have to dissipate heat away from the PCB as well. Here's what it looks like installed into the PC. With all the other RGBs inside of this PC case, it looks right at home. Pretty good if you ask me. Take a look at that. Beautiful. Light diffusion is working really well. I'm not sure if the camera is doing it justice, but the way my eyes see it right now is that the light is diffused nearly perfectly. It looks very good. If you are interested in any of the products featured in this video, you can find them on Amazon at the links in the description below. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.